the Winter Fair virtual food hall this year, there are over 40 Welsh food and drink producers, and we've made a selection of hampers for you to give as gifts to your loved ones. Yn y neuadd Bwyd rithiol ar gyfer y Ffair Aeaef eleni, mae dros 100 o gynhyrchwyr Bwyd yn arddangos ble llwch chi fynd ati i brynu'r cynnyrch yn uniongyrchol o'i gwefannau nhw. A mae dyn ni fan hyn detholiad o hamperi a syniadau i chi roi fel anrhegion. Ac wrth mae rhaid cael bwrdd caws o gawsiau Cymreig ar gyfer y Nadolig. Christmas wouldn't be the same without your lovely Welsh cheese board. Mae dyn ni ddetholiad hyfryd fan hyn, cawsiau cenarth. Wy'n wrth y modd gyda hwn, golden cenarth. This is one of the best cheeses for melting. You just put it in the oven 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and it's like a cheese fondue. Ar un newydd o Snowdonia, Snowdonia cheese have got a lovely new black summer truffle cheese. A wedyn ni detholiad fan hyn o'r cawsiau newydd o dragon gyda gwal o flasus. So the dragon cheeses, new packaging in different flavours. Mwynhewch, enjoy!